Hey, if you own a Discord server, you must have added many bots. One for moderation, one for level, one for ticket. Why would you have so many bots when one bot can do everything? Introducing you guys to Sagebot. Every new server already gets 1 month of Sage Premium for free by default. The bot's invite link will be in the video's description. Make sure to invite it and log in with your Discord account to get its dashboard access. But before we start this off, I want to let you know that you can watch my videos in several different languages. Simply go to Settings and click Audio Track and pick your mother tongue if you can't understand English. Back to the topic, after inviting Sagebot to your server. Whether you want to assign it admin perm or individually give perm in each channel, that's your choice. I've given admin perm. The second thing you will require to do is make a separate support or staff role if you don't have one already. When someone opens a ticket, that staff member will be pinged to address it. Now, let's head back to the dashboard. We will start from bottom feature first and go towards the top. Now, this one is super easy in ticket. In support role, you can add staff or any support role you have. And that's done. Now in channel, you can make a separate ticket channel if you want. But the bot makes a new channel. It happened with me though. In ticket name format, you can pick what you want the bot to name the ticket. Time to close is self-explanatory. If you don't want it, write 0. As for ticket creation message, I've made a custom message that suits the overall aesthetic of the video. You can keep this default or make a new message. As for ticket open message, after someone opens a ticket, they will get a message. There's a default one. You can keep that or make a new one to your liking. It's the same for ticket close message. I've clicked Save and Initializing button. It should be in our server now, and there we go. Since the bot has created the channel, let's fix the perms. It has everyone and staff role. Make sure to add verify or members role. This role should only have view channel perm and not send message perm. It can also have read message history perm. Time to test out this bot. Let's open the ticket. Just like Ticket King bot, a small box pops up asking you questions as to why you've opened the ticket and you need to answer it. Only after answering can you open a ticket. There we have it. The bot works so well. Back to dashboard. The bot has an advanced option called Ticket Management. Here, you can see the transcripts. You can open it and read the whole transcript. It is also divided into 2. The one is about all tickets and the second is about active tickets. You can see the tickets that are currently active. So that's all there is about the ticket feature. The second feature is about bot appearance. This is a premium feature just like ticketing system. Here, you can change the bot's name and bot's prefix. Its other features are coming soon. Now, before we go to leaderboard, let's do levels. Now, what do we require to set up leveling feature? Of course, the level roles. Make some level and rank roles. They should be below the bot role and don't give any dangerous perms. Now, let's start with adding the levels here. We will keep the XP 5 and add level 5 role. After that, we will add level 10 role. You can decide what XP you want to keep. Add all the level roles here by clicking Add Level below. Now, rank configurations is not something you see everywhere. You can skip it if you want. In General Rank Channel, you will add a channel where updates people about their level. In Use Rank, we will add Ice Cream as a rank. You can name anything like Gold or Silver. Keep Allow User to check other rank on, but it's your choice. Now, let's move to engagement configuration. We can test out some new features here like General Settings. Channel whitelist is quite normal. Add any channel you want for it to get affected by the level. Same goes for channel blacklist, role whitelist, and role blacklist. Feel free to add any role you wish to. Now, let's go to message send. This decides how much XP should a person earn after sending a message. It's a cool feature if you ask me. Even cooler feature is message reaction. You can make XP for just reacting. That's so cool. There are other features too like thread create, thread reply, and message reply. You can check them out yourself. We will jump directly to keyword use since it's different. Imagine you earning XP just for using a certain keyword. You can add those words here. I will add Pixie and Pixie's tutorial. Another new feature is Invite User. You can earn XP for inviting members to a server, or members inviting their friends to your server can earn them XP. The coolest part is, this is a free feature. Now, let's shift our attention to AMA event setup. What is this exactly? You might not need this unless your server is big. I don't know about this feature too. Let's create an event and test it out, and voila, we have successfully created one. I have refreshed the page, so the dashboard updates itself with a new event. But it seems like the Discord event is not showing here. But nonetheless, we will fill out other things. When I click Save Config, seems like I need to add Discord event. Not sure which event they're talking about. Could it be the server event we just created, or something else? I went back to the server and clicked Start Event in the hopes that this might work. I refreshed the dashboard again and checked it again. But now event is showing here. Looks like I didn't get work cut out for the devs. But overall the concept is cool about earning XP through events. But it's more for big servers. But if you do decide to use AMA event feature, go back to level configuration and add the channel there. In leaderboard, there's not much to explain here. This is tied to levels that we did earlier. Basically, you can see who's the top here. The cool thing, you can search the member you want, sort the members using roles and leaderboard. Let's go to the moderation. We come across anti-bad words here. You must have seen it before, but here if you check default list, Facebook list, or Google list, all the internet and global bad words get added here. I won't click that because those words are too vulgar and bad. But you can add your own too. One thing is, you can't repeat the same word. In auto moderation, you can set punishments like warning, mute, kick, and ban. Do you remember that in my WIC guide video, I said they have heat system, and the heat keeps accumulating when someone breaks the rules. And when it's full, the person gets punished. It's the same thing here, but the heat system is already set. Also, you can add mute role if you still use one, or you can just give timeout to people. For excluded role, I can't think of anybody except for staff. Let's go and do the link configuration. I'm sure you are familiar of whitelist links, exempt roles, and exempt channels. Basically, you can whitelist links, roles, and channels, and they won't be affected. Now, let's learn a few things about its cool crypto feature. If your server is into crypto, this feature is for you. This is the text channel version. In Select Channel, add a channel. I recommend you to make a separate crypto channel to prevent the clutter. Keep update frequency 1 or 5 whatever and duration in hours. As for the rest, like select exchange and cryptocurrencies to track, the only thing that I know is Bitcoin and nothing else. I will just go with a random one here. The end result should look something like this with crypto price messages flooding in every hour. Now you can do the same thing in voice channels if you don't want the text channel. Just select your cryptocurrency to ping, and voila. In your server, you will find a new voice channel updating the crypto prices. Now, after crypto, let's use countdown. Here, you can count down a message. In channel, add a channel where you want the message to pop up. I suggest you make an event-specific channel. Everything is quite ordinary here. But in time, you can add time of your country, but you need to also select time zone of your country in the next time zone option, or just keep UTC for universal time. I've kept Japan's time. I googled it to check the time now. And we'll add the future time. Let's add a few minutes after 10:55 p.m. In message, I will add something aesthetic. For banner, I will copy a random banner's link and paste it there. You can even download one and add it since there are two options. Let's see if this works. The time is almost up, and frankly speaking, it actually did.
How cool.
I forgot to tell you that you can even edit or delete the even in countdown section. The next is message scheduling. When you want to send a message in the future, you can use this feature. It's useful for someone like me who schedule the YouTube videos in the future. I can later use this feature to promote my video when it is posted. Even you can use it to wish somebody on their birthday. Let's try this out. Everything is like the countdown feature. In time zone, we will add Japan's time again. Let's do 11:42 p.m. since it's 11:40 p.m. now. In format, you can keep text or embed. Let's add a cute aesthetic birthday message. In repeat, we will add daily just for fun, although this makes no sense to wish happy birthday every day. You can go to upcoming events and edit it or delete it if you want to make any changes. Let's see if the birthday message has popped up and it's there. It really worked. Next feature is Stats Channel. What is this? It's basically count. You can do members count, role count, channel count, and if you want a particular count of something, you can request the developers. Now go to your server. You'll find many new channels here that counts things. Let's do slow mode. You probably only do it in channel settings, but this is advanced. Here you can do server-wide and many things. Now select the time. Since it's done, go back to server and check every single channel. All the channels got slow mode. This feature is in no other bot. Now, let's do in a particular channel. We will keep the time same. But there's one thing. Just delete this server-wide slowdown before adding channel slowdown, otherwise it will overlap. As you can see, only Chatty channel has slowdown and no other does. Now, let's do user-only slowdown. We will only slow down a user. We can pick channel too. And now you picked a channel, or don't pick channel because that's fine too. Now in user, let's pick a user. I will keep the time same as it was. Here, just like user, you can pick role too, as in a particular role will receive a slowdown. This really helps during the raid situation when you want to slow down multiple people. This is a cool feature that Sage has. Now, let's do the verification. But before we start, let's do some basics. First, create verify role. Make sure this doesn't have dangerous perms. Same with unverified role. Now, just enable verification CAPTCHA settings. Here, everything is quite the same except for support channel. I'm not sure why there's a support channel. Perhaps if the bot goes offline, there will be a rescue channel from which the members can communicate to the staff. As for the rest, just add verify role and unverified role and verify channel. In existing user approach, you get 3 options out of which you can pick one. There we have it, our verification is done. Now people can click generate CAPTCHA and verify. I will give you a small demo of it.
Done.
Doesn't it look cool? Now, let's have a look at a different type of verification. This one is rather basic, where you do reaction verification. If you don't know, that's alright. In channel, add verified channel. Add a custom-made verification message, something that I love. Or you can just keep the default one. In add emoji role mapping, add a verify role and add an emoji with it. And I suppose it's done. Let's go back and have a look. I think I prefer the CAPTCHA version more. Now after verification, let's do welcome and goodbye. This is the easiest thing to do. Now you can deliver message via direct message or by sending it to the welcome channel. Direct message won't always work because people can keep their DMs off. So let's pick server channel. I will highly suggest you to have a separate welcome channel, or you can pick chat channel if your server is small. That way you can welcome new members. In welcome message, you can use these variables like member_display_name in your welcome message. I will do it. I've made a custom welcome message. In include welcome GIF, you can toggle it on. Now, as for goodbye message, it is also quite the same as welcome message. However, I forgot to tell you one thing. You can use double asterisk on both sides of a text to make it bold. Single asterisk will make it italic. And there we go. Now, overview is pretty self-explanatory, but I will give you a quick overview, no pun intended. It gives you analysis about members joining, leaving, and overall new members, and your server performance. Now, let's learn a bit about Sagebot. This bot is an ace multi-purpose bot. It's been around since 2024 and is in over 600 servers. That's actually a lot of servers if you think about it. It has its own doc page that explains about every single feature. I think it's impressive. If you still face any issue, Sage has its own Discord server. You can join them to get your queries solved. Now, let's talk about its pricings. Although you will get premium features for free for 1 month, it's worth considering premium price plans. For example, consider this $89.99 annual plan. You can get 25% off after adding my discount code Pixie25. Applies on top of the existing annual discount, which already includes 2 months free. And 50% off for 3 months for monthly subscriptions. After adding Pixie50, my discount code. This is a huge discount, and you should avail of it. Even their support team is always available if you face any issues. Anyway, you can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. So in conclusion, I love this bot and absolutely loved using it. I'm considering using it in my main server too. It took so much time and effort into making this video. If you guys like it, kindly like and subscribe and help the video to get into algorithm, and thank you so much Sagebot for sponsoring this video.